Sometimes, to tackle the really heavy-duty jobs, you have to be airborne. Since 1973, Erickson Air Crane has built a reputation on its ability to harvest timber, fight fires, perform precision construction, and airlift an assortment of heavy objects.
We've also done some really cool things, like the air crane was used to replace the Statue of Freedom on the U.S. Capitol, and we've lifted an endangered rhino out of the jungles of Malaysia and brought it into a safe area.
The capacity to perform these tasks with unparalleled speed and precision has put Erickson on the map as the leading operator and manufacturer of heavy-lift helicopters in the world. Today, Erickson is at the helm of the industry and has taken some bold new steps to ensure continued growth and increased opportunity for the future. The recent acquisitions of both Evergreen Helicopters Incorporated and Air Amazonia will transform Erickson into a global, multi-platform aviation services company with far-reaching benefits, including fleet, business, and geographic diversification, reduced seasonality, and infrastructure support. By combining best practices from these three exceptional companies, Erickson will provide enhanced in-house manufacturing, repair, overhaul, and engineering services. This dynamic fleet will support government operations in the Middle Eastern desert, explore oil and gas in the Amazon jungle, and build infrastructure through the heartland of North America. Categorical integration of these companies into a robust new entity will be key to Erickson's success.
The employees of Air Amazonia, the employees of Evergreen Helicopter, and the employees of Erickson Air Crane combined is what will make us successful going forward.
The new Erickson, grounded in experience, poised for success.